About 5,000 people were watching the fireworks show at the Waukesha County Expo Center when something suddenly went seriously wrong.
The barrel actually exploded. The shells went off on the ground.
A misfire in a tube with 4 fireworks shells just feet away from workers. As we slow this video on the left, you can see what appears to be that misfire. Amanda Roddy was in the crowd with her children.
They heard a small boom, but nothing shot up in the air, and they heard people from behind the fence yelling, "Hurry, hurry, hurry."
3 employees of the fireworks company escaped with only minor burns and bruises. Right there.
Yep. Just that quick.
We showed the video to Waukesha Fire Battalion Chief Scott Purdy, who credits the fireworks company for keeping the crowd safe.
They were using good practice last night, and that's why it was just minor injuries and nothing more severe.
When that misfire occurred, the show was paused abruptly, and many of the thousands of people watching had no idea what had just happened.
Everybody assumed that there was some kind of accident.
City of Waukesha posted about the malfunction, adding that the show would resume shortly. But many in the crowd left thinking that it was done and blasted the show on Twitter, calling them horrible fireworks, terrible, and a joke, before learning that there had been an accident. Those who stayed saw the show resume after about 20 minutes, all relieved that the misfire wasn't more serious. It could have been so much worse.
It could have been terrible.
In Waukesha, I'm Kent Wainscott, WISN 12 News.